ER dispenser, switching between online mode and offline mode. Online mode meaning it's being controlled by the FAM system to be able to dispense fuel. Offline mode meaning it is on a standalone mode. Once you take out the nozzle, the pump will activate and you can dispense fuel without using the FAM system. So to start off with, you're going to press the menu button and press the menu button a second time to enter the password 9876. Press the L gold button to enter the options menu. Use the P2 button or the P1 button to scroll to option number 19. So I'm using the P1, going to option number 19, which is enter level 2. Press the L gold button and put in the password again, 9876. Pressing the L gold button to accept the password. Then using the P2 button, scroll to number 22, which is online offline, and press the L gold button to enter this option. Using the P1 or P2, change between offline and online depending on the mode that you want to set it to. And then once the option that you would like to set it to, press the L gold button to accept, and it will tell you updated. Then once that is done, you can just press the cancel button to exit back to the main menu.